Okay guys, we're here at the lake. Now we're just fixing our John boat. Round. Kano kaya magkalit dito ng cottage?
Pag ano?
Meron bang nare-rent dito ng cottage?
Holy shit, fish finder, all the rods.
Oh, that's not that fancy.
You guys are going to be going for the big leagues.
Nah, we're just here to catch.
Boats are good to, like you could stand and everything in them.
Yeah, pretty stable.
Yeah, no, these are,
I didn't notice. Yeah, I just saw them.
what's this one, a 14?
12, just
12.
Oh, this is a 12? Okay, yeah, I wanted a 16.
Oh, us too.
But these are good boats.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they're easy
For a
to
small lake,
In BC,
Yeah.
you see a lot of
get.
these.
This one, yeah. 100 amp hours should be enough for a few hours.
Oh, it'll last a couple hours. That's
No
how it
more
counts?
than actually
No,
the whole
that'll
day
last
for
a
us.
few hours.
Yeah.
Is that the little the good battery? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah. They'll be. I fished on Gary's for 8 hours.
Oh, really?
In
Yeah.
BC, my brother,
You're
the
just
brothers.
gonna be trolling when you hit a spot, you stop the motor, that's about it. Then,
Yeah.
It's
It's a
not,
small
it's not
lake, too.
rough, so you
Yeah.
guys are. It'll
Uh-huh.
be good.
It's low now, though. It's sure low compared to
before.
last time we were here. Well, that's pretty good.
You got any dynamite in here or anything?
No.
Give me something to eat, or you got lots of good food. You don't need all that food.
A snack.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you.
The fish just go on eating.
We're going to Kenora.
We're off the Canal.
Oh, nice.
Oh wow.
Maybe
Maybe
we'll
next year.
Maybe we'll see you there.
Yeah.
Planning to go, where's that again?
Oh, yeah.
Well, Menaki's nice. You can catch muskie.
Oh, really? Is there?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Lake of
I
the
thought it's
Woods,
only Lake-
muskie, you
is
get a
it
lot
part
of
Lake
pike
of the
too.
Woods? I thought it wasn't.
Well, close. It's same
Oh, okay.
water, you'll be fine.
Same water, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so it was.
Well, that's all right. Well, good luck.
Thank
Yeah, I
you.
just saw these at Cabela's on the Friday. They had a whole bunch out front.
These ones?
Yeah, John boats. Yeah,
Well, how much?
I didn't look.
They're 16 footers.
Yeah, they look about like this, if not.
Oh, yeah. This
Now we're
one's
trying
12.
to save
This is
for a
12.
bigger one.
You got to put a seat on them.
Yeah.
This trailer would hold a 16 footer.
Princess Auto, you put a seat on.
No,
your
we already have, but
Upright?
we haven't set this one up, full yet.
the way you want to use
We
it.
want it
Yeah.
on the deck or something like that, probably.
Well, it's nice like
Maybe
that.
next year.
Using it flat, eh? At least you can stand up without
Yep.
Without, yeah.
everybody.
Exactly.
You got to let everybody know. Hey, I'm going to stand up and have a kiss.
Yeah, this one's no problem standing in.
Yeah, perfect.
In BC, a lot of people got this. Know how they have them? They have them on fucking trucks with a rack.
Oh,
And they just press a button and
It goes down.
Yeah, I
goes
saw-
right
I
into the
saw
lake.
that, yeah.
And then they hook it up, it goes right up.
Like with the skidoos.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, the skidoos on the back.
Yeah.
You got everything on your whistles? What those white things do?
Which one?
Oh, that's just to hold your rope.
Oh,
to the
just to
anchor.
hold the rope.
Just to hold it.
That's their ball.
You're creative. Good job. Oh, good luck. Good luck.
Thank you, thank
Maybe
you.
you'll still be here. We'll be back in a couple of days. Maybe you'll still be here.
Oh, what?
Tell us how you made out.
We don't use the fish finder here, but you can.
We used to have
I can't
livestock,
tell you
but
where the
we-
fish are.
No worries, no worries.
All the
We'll try to
secrets,
figure out.
But you have to work for 'em.
Yeah. Thank you.
Different. It's funny the different lures. Eh? You'd be surprised. Use every lure you got.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
Not a magic one.
All right.
Tell these guys too much.
Scratch on the door. Scratch on the door. How many fish you caught from me when I come back in 2 days?
Okay, yeah, I'll put the sign there.
On the outhouse.
Yeah.
Hey, good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Good day. Oh, shoot. Wala eh. Oh, takot ako.
Bakit?
Kala ko mali yung nailagay ko. Hindi pala to dito. Ito pala.
Stuck na.
Kala ko hindi ko dala. Parang kilala ko yung isa na yung may bigote. Parang nakita ko na siya. Hindi ko alam kung sa transit din niya nagtatrabaho.
Maybe.
Parang siya yung naglilinis ng maintenance.
Pong pong. Kulit ng lalaking isa. Don't tell him too much. Wag daw sa ano. Don't tell him too much secret. Like, that's okay, di ba? Tell us your secret. You won't tell. Kulit eh.
Noy!
Kaya nga. Hindi, pag ano, nakahuli tayo, iinit din katawan natin yan. Ano kayang lure siya sabi niya? Siguro ano lang yan.
Ano daw?
May sinasabi siyang lure eh.
Oh.
And then, sabi ng isa naman, don't tell him too much.
Hindi ko din sa medyo gilid. Ah, malusok eh. Aligo? Where's the freaking screw?
Ayun ko matama dito.
Saan na? Oh, tumama. Bakit okay din siguro? Para may space ako dito.
Natuwa sila sa ano eh, yung mga pinanggagawa natin. Yung ganyan. Oh, yeah, fish finder. Imagine mo, pag dinala pa natin ng ano, malay scoop mo,
Di ba nung
magagulat.
nasa ano nga tayo? Nasa, what do you call that? Yung sa Mary Jane?
Oo.
Di ba yung nasa kayak?
Oo.
Is that a live scoop?
Ang wadat eh, no?
Ay. Parang meat lang tayo.
Excuse.
Lang natin yung rod kong isa.
Lang natin ng ano, plastic. Tapos lagyan na lang natin.
Ayun, tayo nga ako ng spray na yun. Yung puzzle mat. Ito.
Ito.
Yan, yung puzzle mat. Pinatulad.
Ay, shit. Ay, shit.
Dito sa ilalim. Doon. Okay, dito na lang. Ayun, damit ko. Siguro natin paano.
Masyado akong malapit, kuya. Masyado ka pang malayo. Masyado akong malapit. Kailangan konti pang ganun.
Konti doon.
Oo. Yan. Straight. Straight ka na. Ha? Yeah, wait lang. Here you go. Yeah, daan-daan lang. Wait lang. Wait. Hindi ka pa natutulak. Ha? Daan-daan. Wait, sige, wait. Okay na. Wait lang ah. Iurong ko lang to. Ah, shit. Ha? Ano? Hindi, wait lang. Akit ka dahan-dahan. Akit ka dahan-dahan. Okay, stop. Okay, go. Akyat. And we're off, guys. Let's go.
Dating nyo lang?
Yeah, kabababa lang namin ng bangka. Lamig.
Hindi kayo nagdala ng sweater.
Meron.
Abres na.
Kabangka na kayo.
Oo. Ganda dito, may fog pa. Tingnan mo yung tubig. Ayun na.
Anong isda dyan?
Walleye. Tapos smallmouth. Walang bumibag.
Marunong pa sila eh.
Oo.
Tubig ako. Tapos
Ayan, 8 feet yun.
ha?
Kasi Ariel sa akin. Sige, nahanap muna kami ng pwesto.
Sige mo.
Okay.
Iyo.
Bye-bye.
Sige, bye-bye.
And we're off,
Hey,
guys.
go, bro.
Let's go. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Go. Saan siya sabi niya?
Diyan daw sa may puntun. Puntun ba yung nasa harapan natin?
Ah,
May magandang cabin daw. Straight lang.
okay to.
Lagi na ka mabilis ka.
Ha? Okay lang yun. Trolling lang naman tayo.
May tahimik dito. Parang nakakaano naman magbukas na walang motor.
Kaya maingay.
Oh, yun na yung may puntun.
Anong pick daw? Sinabi ni Kuya Mark.
Wala naman.
Ano sinabi?
Pagkaan sa ilalim.
Hindi na
Okay lang. So yun guys, we're trying to find a spot and see if we can catch some fish for you guys. So hopefully. Wala. Nasaan yung puntod siya sa ano? Nasaan? Ganda ng bahay dito guys, oh. Ha? Ano, sabihin mo lang ha kung bababa ko ng ano. Dito? Baba ko na. Baba ko? Ha?
Wait lang. Ito ba may magandang cabin?
Ang gagandang oh. Parang iba na yung cabin natin.
Some big fish in here, man.
Tanda. Stop mo na. Ano mo? Yan. Hawakan mo para hindi magtango.
Hindi na marunong po.
Oh shit. Meron ako kuya.
Meron ka agad?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Hindi ka lang kung ano to. How you call ay. Nice.
Nagamit mo sa puti.
Hindi, ito. Ano lang, colorful din. And then inilalim ko muna siya. Tsaka ko siya ni-rail. Hintayin ko muna bumaba sa tubig. Kumagat.
Gulat naman to.
Gold. Oo, meron dyan. Nagtatago. $17 daw.
19.
Lalim ah. Bakit ito na yung pinakamalalim? 22. Drop up siguro to. Hindi lang. Nasa baba naman ako. Sakit naman ang puno na yun. We're just dripping away. We're just dripping away by the wind.
Bagal na yung trip natin kasi yung current.
Ha. Hinahanap lang natin ng walleye talaga. GG. Ayun. Ano to? Perch? Ay, small ano? Small mouth. Small. Guys, I caught a small. Thank God di mo inano. Small. Hey, look at that. Woo. Thank you for playing. Kulit eh. Akala ko naman napakalaki. So, babalik ka.
Spot lock.
Ikaw maganda siya kanina, di ba? I'm driving away. I'm trying to I'm walking away. Nagdalawa na tayo. Isang keeper. Tapos isang maliit. Isang maliit. I'm walking away. Ayun. Go.
Ngayon lang ako nakahuli sa rin dito. Hindi ko nalanatan kasi puro baka.
Yun ang walleye, yes! Walleye. Walleye guys. We caught a walleye. Finally. Ay gagi, natanggal.
Natanggal?
Ayun na.
Tingnan mo yung rig ko. Drop shot na ano yan, AliExpress.
Hindi ko.
Asan yung bag?
Hindi ito. Yun o. Yay. Picture tayo. One, two, three. Yay.
Yung bag.
Oh, wala pa. Pinagat na eh.
kulay yan?
Watermelon. Ano?
Oh, late pero
Uy, malaki na yan.
malaki na rin.
Malaki na rin, boy.
Malaki na rin. Ay, hindi niya pa hinahalik-halikan eh. Pinigilan ko pa grill. Ah, kuha ka.
Picture ka. Yeah, I did second one.
Second two.
Wait lang. One, two, three. One, two, three. Yung. Oh, pabakal balik mo ha.
Mayel. Look.
Ano yan, perch?
The smallmouth, pangalawa. Kami ni Ariel.
Oh, parehas kayo.
Asan yung ano?
Malakas na rin ang hangin. Tapos konti lang ng laman.
Hindi lang nila.
Ah.
Ay, ginawang ponton lang yun eh. Drum. Hindi.
Hmm. Nalagyan ng motor.
Ano ako sa buhangin eh.
Ah.
Iusig na kasi tayo ako sa dito.